Hi, my name is Jacob Friedman, and this is the story of my sales proposal. I decided to write a proposal to Dr. Horton Homes, which continues to be America's #1 home builder. I want to introduce new aspects of sustainable development, which can include walk and bike paths, electric car charging, public transportation, solar parking, community gardens, as well as green roofs. I feel that innovation is key to the success of the business. If you don't currently live in a Dr. Horton home, there's a good chance you have at least walked by one without even knowing it. With just a few eco-friendly touches, Dr. Horton homes have the ability to reach those that are more environmentally inclined or those on the fence about making an economic real estate decision. By doing sustainable development, we are gearing up for the future and an opportunity to attract the attention of the next generation of home buyers while making a positive and industry-changing impact. Smart development continues to be a leading way of new development. It includes sustainability, walkability, eco-friendly, and in some cases it even has negative carbon footprints. Switching to smart development can allow for more dense areas, which equals for more profits. Sustainable development can go as deep as the flooring material, building material, types of toilets, and refrigerator. There's an opportunity to reach a new sector as an industry leader. A white paper comes in many different combinations: a number list document, problem solution, or a product background. Dr. Horton Homes is a well-established Fortune 500 business, meaning there's no point to complete a product background document. We will use a complete combination of a problem solution and number list white page document. This will appeal to a wide range of audiences that may provide facts, bullet points, logic, and easily obtainable information, and a potential for the best investment return of all. In most cases, it is best for a company to select an outside, non-biased person that will be able to give the company a white page. I have a personal background in sustainability, business, and agriculture. I'm currently obtaining a degree in agricultural business with economics and a passion of real estate. Mixing all those together allows for a world of opportunity. I'm a part of the next generation looking for sustainable housing and a place to call home. I know what my generation is looking for, and what's a better place to go to than the source itself, and one that specializes in the area as well. Thank you so much and have a good day.